I've been digging through tons of info from forums, repair shops, and real owner experiences to bring you, straight up, the most common issues affecting the Fiat Palio between 2011 and 2018. This isn't theory. This is what actual drivers are dealing with and how the brand has responded. One of the most frequent complaints is related to the electrical system, especially issues with wiring and fuses. Many owners mention in forums that lights randomly stop working, the dashboard acts up intermittently, and starting problems are pretty common. This is often caused by poorly insulated connections or fuses that blow due to overload. Fiat acknowledged some of these cases and issued technical bulletins to reinforce wiring in certain units. The most effective fix is to get a full electrical inspection at a workshop and, if needed, replace any damaged or poorly connected parts to avoid bigger issues down the road. Another recurring issue involves the suspension, specifically the shock absorbers and ball joints, which tend to wear out prematurely. Owners frequently report knocking noises over bumps or that the car feels overly bouncy, which affects not just comfort, but also safety. This can be tied to how the car is used and the quality of the original parts. Fiat didn't release an official fix for this, but many mechanics recommend upgrading to higher quality or reinforced shocks and joints to reduce ongoing repairs and improve handling. Finally, a fairly common problem shows up with the fuel pump. In some units, it may fail, causing hard starts or power loss while driving. Forum users say the engine can randomly stall or jerk, and sometimes the check engine light comes on. Causes range from natural wear over time to tank impurities damaging the pump. Fiat did issue recall campaigns for some of these pumps, so if you own one, it's worth checking if your vehicle was included. If not, replacing the pump and cleaning the fuel system is usually the go-to solution to get things running smoothly again.